One of the fundamental skills of DIY is learning how to install a screw with a drill driver. In this guide, we'll take you through the process, whether it's for your next furniture project or to hang that shelf. Let's get started.
First, pick the right screw and bit. Here, we're using a Phillips screw and a Phillips bit. Match the screw to your material, wood or metal, and make sure to use a magnetic bit that holds the screw. Next, mark where the screw will go. For harder materials, you'll need to drill a pilot hole, as this prevents splitting and makes driving the screw easier. Time to set up the drill. Insert the bit and tighten it. Adjust your torque settings to low or medium. Take a look at the forward and reverse functions. Forward for driving and reverse for removing. Now, drive the screw. Hold it at the marked spot. Place the bit in the screw head and squeeze the trigger gently. Let the drill do the work. Finish driving the screw until it is flush with your timber. The drill's clutch will automatically stop the drill. Check if the screw is secure and tighten if needed. And that's it. With practice you'll get better. Need more help? Hit start a discussion and our helpful community members would be more than happy to assist.